Hey, this morning I am out in Silver Lake in Hope, BC. It's about 45 minutes outside of Chilliwack where I live. It's June 6th. It's a beautiful morning out here. There's barely a ripple in the water. There's only two other people out here on the lake. This is a place I've been coming to for a little bit now. It's close. It's a beautiful drive from Chilliwack. The worst part of the drive is getting from my house to the freeway. From the freeway out here, it's just gorgeous, the mountains. Once you get off the freeway, get in here, it is a little bit of a bumpy road. You don't need a truck or anything. We have a terrain and we make it no problem. There is a campsite out here, never camp, not a camper. But what I like coming out here for, the thing about Hope is it's a little bit cooler than the rest of the valley. So like today, it's like a heat warning out in Chilliwack. I wanted to get out before it got too hot. I left Chilliwack, it was 20 degrees. I got to Hope here, the lake, it was 15. And I think part of the reason is out here, whether it's on the lakes or some of the hiking spots I like to go to, because you're so close to these beautiful mountains. Look at this. You don't get the sun right away, so it stays cooler a little bit longer. My only regret this morning is I didn't bring my bug spray. Forgot that at home. This time of morning, I've had a few mosquito bites, nothing crazy, but I should have brought it. Again, very quiet this morning. It's not summer season yet, so there's only two other boats out here fishing. If you are a fisherman, I'm not sure how to say that. It is all catch and release out here. I've come out here in the summer on a Sunday. It's a little bit busier, but nothing crazy like, out it'd be in Chilliwack or Bunsen Lake in these areas. There's a nice little day use area, nice grassy area, lots of shade, looks over the mountains. You'll probably notice if you ever go there, you'll recognize some of the videos I've done there. It's a great place just to rest afterwards. My only complaint about this place is it's very... it's so calm, it's so relaxing, but there is a there is a road over here. It's Skagit Valley that way, Ross Lake, there's a logging area. So on a Friday afternoon when people are heading to their campsites, it can get pretty busy, pretty dusty down here. Sunday afternoon when people are checking out and going back home, again, it gets pretty dusty down here, pretty noisy. Only real complaint about it. Otherwise, if you're out in this area and you want a nice, peaceful morning out on the kayak, maybe make yourself a little bit of breakfast out at the day use area, I certainly recommend come in to Silver Lake out here in Hope, BC.